In example 3, we're going to use the basic properties of logs to make these equations true. We're going to do 3 of them together, and then I'm going to have you try a couple over here. If we take a look at letter A, we have the log base 9 of 10 minus the log base 9 of 2 equal to the log base 9 of A, and we're trying to figure out what A is. If we take a look at the left-hand side, these logs both have the same base, so we can use our properties that if we subtract 2 logs with the same base, we can divide what we're taking the logs of. So we would get the log base 9 of 10 divided by 2 equal to the log base 9 of A. So if we have the log base 9 of 10 over 2 equal to the log base 9 of A is going to have to be 10 over 2 or 5. So we know that A is equal to 5. If we take a look at letter B, we have the log base 3 of 8 plus the log base 3 of A equal to the log base 3 of 56. Our property says that if we are adding 2 logs together with the same base, we can multiply what we're taking the logs of. So this would look like the log base 3 of 8A equal to the log base 3 of 56. So then if we're taking the log base 3 here and the log base 3 here, what we're taking the log of has to be the same. So we can say that 8A has to equal 56. And if 8A is equal to 56, we can divide both sides by 8, giving us A equal to 7. And in letter C, we have the log base 2 of 81 equal to 4 log base 2 of A. So the property that we're using here is this exponent. We can say the log base 2 of 81 is equal to the log base 2 of A to the 4th. So basically what we're doing is we need to figure out A to the 4th has to equal 81. Some of you might be able to do this in your head. Others of you, in order to solve for a base, you can raise everything to the exponent's reciprocal. So since our exponent is 4, we can take and raise this to the 1/4. So we have A to the 4th to the 1/4. Multiplying this gives us just 1. And so we get A equal to 81 to the 1/4, which is 3. Now I'd like you to take a second and try this. So go ahead and pause it and unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did 1 correctly, you should get A is equal to 11. And if you did 2 correctly, you should get A is equal to 7. Please let me know if you have any questions.